All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this ball started. Let's open that one box right there, okay. The one next to it. You can put it on top of it, and then Yusuf's gonna take care of all the detail shit in there, cool. All the good shot. All right, wherever you are, brother. Now look, we gotta give him props for the packaging, dog. Yeah, oh wow.
That looks real good. Man, that looks good.
Wow, dude.
Dang good.
Holy moly, dude. That is shiny as hell. Beautiful. You can really see the fucking carbon, dude. That's fucking phenomenal.
Let me see. I'm gonna be fast now. I'm wearing a Shelby 500 hat. You have to get yourself one of these. 25% off PP-FL. Get yourself one of these.